Hi everyone, it's been a long that you guys are asking me to share some makeup tips, some makeup tricks. So today I have decided to talk about how to do smoky and I'm gonna show it to you. First of all, I want to mention one thing that I'm not a makeup expert. The things I'm gonna show you, this is all about my experience. I've learned these things from the experience and I think this can be ideas for you guys, and you can take these ideas and then you can also add up your ideas and apply this kind of makeup tricks or tips on your face. So today's topic is all about a smoky eye, and I'm gonna do it as cool tone smoky. I'm not gonna use any warm color on my eyelid, so I hope you will like it for sure. So before starting the entire makeup, I would suggest you to tie your hair and also clip all the bangs you have, because I specifically don't like uh, hairs on my face while doing the makeup. So I would love to suggest you guys also to do not open your hairs while doing the makeup. Just tie it and clips everywhere. You can use any normal clips, whatever you have, and then you can start your makeup. Okay, we are going to start with the moisturizer, because I always believe that before applying the makeup we should moisturize our skin properly. So the moisturizer I'm using, this is Himalaya moisturizer, and I have shared that little link in the description box below. And one more thing, that the products I'm going to show you guys, you can get all the products on our link from the description box below. Apply the moisturizer, mixed it well. If you wanna do massage, you can do massage, and if you wanna apply it properly, you can do it. You can also go with a light massage like I'm doing, and I have seen some makeup artists also like to do a good massage before applying the makeup. Actually it gives a very good radiance. Okay, so because of that, well, after applying the moisturizer, I'm gonna go directly to the foundation. The foundation I use is actually very lightweight foundation, because I'm personally not much comfortable with the weight, heavyweight foundation. So I'm gonna go with the Lakme Mousse. This one, you can say, this is a very lightweight. You can say it is weightless. It is written also the is weightless mousse foundation. So I will go with this foundation. And I'm gonna apply it with my fingertips. Okay, so I'm done with the foundation. Now I'm gonna go with contour, and for contour I'm using Maybelline V Face. This is actually very good, and it also has the highlighter, so I like it a lot. And I'll need to do a lot contour, and with this look also I'm not gonna go with a huge contour. It will be very light contour, okay? I'll apply the contour only on my nose. It will give a little bit sharpness. Can you see? It's visible already. See, one thing I would like to say you guys, that is, makeup is not about changing your face, it is actually about enhancing your facial features. So that's what only I'm doing here. And also I'm not enhancing much, I'm only using contour on my nose to make it a bit sharper. It's better to use a brush for the contouring if the contour have good shape. It's a contour stick, and it is giving you the tools to do the shape properly. Then you can go with that, and you can also keep some contour brushes. There are many brushes, so you can use any of them. Now I'm using Lakme Rose Powder. This is, some people also call it like face powder. This is actually Lakme Rose Powder, and I will apply it. But so I have applied the rose face powder over my face. Now I will go for the eyes, okay? As I mentioned that I'm not going to use any warm color for this look, and because of that I have chosen this palette. This is from Wet n Wild, and I love this matte palette a lot. You can see the shades here, and my main shade would be this one, and this one. This is for a highlight only. Okay, let's start with this one. What I like about this particular brand is it blends very well. So this helps me to blend it very well, and you can see the changes very easily. So this is actually giving you a base on your eyelid. I'm also applying it on your eyelid too. Otherwise it may look uneven. Now I will go with this one. Now we'll use this shade. This is the main shade which will give you the smoky effect, okay? You can see the smoky effect is been done very easily. It's just because I use this darker shade. Now about the finishing shot. A little bit of highlight. This one I'm using for the highlight. This highlight would be here. To give your eye a prominent look. Right. Now I'll go with the mascara, and I'm using the Lotus mascara, and as the other products, this is also shared in the description box below. So I'm done with the eyes. Now I will go for the highlight, facial highlight. For that I'm again going to use that V face from Maybelline. Face Maybelline. See how I'm doing it? Now I'm gonna use the contour brush from Nike. It blends really well. After that I'll go for the blush and then lip, and then I'm done. I have blend the highlighter. Now I'll go with the blush. This is from Shimmer, and if you see the color is quite brown shade. I like it. I'm done with the brush too. Now for the lip, I'm also going for a very brownish color with little glossy one. As I mentioned earlier only, I'm not gonna use any warm color because of that. So I'm using Big Lip. This is very comfortable to use, and it definitely gives you a very juicy lip. I think it will go very well with your this kind of smoky eye. With the makeup, now I'll open my hair and I'll style it. You can style it as the way you like. This This actually gives a gorgeous look. You can go for evening time cocktail or evening time party or birthday party, anything with this kind of smoky eyes. I won't recommend this kind of eyes for the daytime program. This is for evening time, specifically for me. I hope you like it, and if you wanna know many more tips and tricks like this, you can definitely comment down below, or you can also DM me. Then I will definitely try to give you those tips. So, bye.